Hey guys, what's going on? This is another Airsoft Dude 1 production. Today I'm going to be doing the video overview pretty much of shooting my Wii G39c slow-mo. So this is the first time I actually edit the video, go slow-mo on a shooting test. This is probably going to be the last video I put up before I hit 100 subs, and I might be doing something special for my 100 subs. Nothing big, because it's not really a big accomplishment. It's just my channel's I've had my channel up for 3 years, and I've just now been getting an influx of subscriptions due to in-game videos and whatnot. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that, and now I'm going to go on with the shooting test. And a couple last words, guys. Thanks for watching. I'd like for you guys to go check out my Facebook page at facebook.com/AirsoftDude1. That is with the R in Airsoft. I'd really like to thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to get my channel bigger, and I'm trying to do more things. If you guys want me to review something, I'm sure I could work it out. I've got a bunch of friends that have a bunch of different guns, so that we could review multiple different items. Thanks for watching again, and this has been a great ride with YouTube, and I hope I can get the bumps to continue to go upward as I continue to do in-game videos. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Airsoft Dude 1 signing off.